Hello, I'm Sarah and welcome back to Sewing School on CBC Life. There's something so satisfying about a swift and practical project like this sun hat that I'm going to show you how to make today. I have designed this fully reversible hat with front and back brims of different lengths, ensuring protection and versatility. I've also included two optional strap styles, one with two ties that add a lovely touch to the hat, the other with a drawstring and cord lock for a more sporty vibe. Let's get started. You will need a sewing machine, the free pattern that's available on CBC Life, main and lining fabric. Interfacing is optional, pins or clips, optionally point turner, cord and cord lock, and pinking shears. Cut one piece each of the front brim and back brim on the fold from the main fabric and the lining fabric. Stay stitching is an essential step when sewing curves. Optionally, cut one piece each of the front brim and back brim on the fold from interfacing. I used medium weight interfacing for my brim. Cut 4 pieces of the crown from the main fabric and the lining fabric. Again, do not skip the stay stitching of all the crown pieces. If choosing the tie option, cut 2 ties. If choosing the drawstring option, cut 1 cord. Sew one side of a pair of crowns right sides together. Trim the seam. Scratch the seam with a point turner and press. Sew the other pair of crowns on one side, right sides together. To complete the crown, sew the top of the sewn pieces right sides together. Trim the seam and press. Repeat for the lining crown. Sew one side of a pair of crowns right sides together. Trim the seam. Scratch the seam with a point turner and press. Sew the other pair of crowns on one side, right sides together. To complete the crown, sew the top of the sewn pieces right sides together. Trim the seam and press. Pin and sew the front and back brim right sides together. Repeat for the lining brim. Open the seams and press. I will show you both tie options on this hat and you can see which look you like the best. Fold the ties in half lengthwise right sides facing and sew the edges. Trim the corners and turn right side out using your preferred method. Press. Pin the ties on the side seam of inner side of the brim and baste. Connect the cord lock to your cord to create your drawstring. Paste the ends of the drawstring on the side seams of the inner brim. Mark the center of the inner brim. Pin and sew the crown and the brim right sides together. This step can be challenging. Focus on the sewing line, not just the edge. Be sure not to skip stitching the curved edges. It is a crucial step that helps align these pieces accurately. Repeat for the lining head. Mark the center of the inner brim. Pin and sew the crown and the brim right sides together. Snip the seam all around the inner brims. Pin the outer brims of the main and lining hats right sides together. Make sure the ties and drawstring are tucked inside. Leave an opening for turning and sew around the outer brim. Trim or snip the seam. Turn right side out. Carefully pin the opening closed and top stitch the entire outer edge. No matter the time of year, it's never too late to prepare for the sunny days still ahead. Stay protected and stylish with a sun hat of your own making with this free pattern. I can't wait to see your versions. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, 안녕!